down here. In this episode of Project 380, I'm going to be changing the fuel filter. The first thing to do is jack up the car and then open the bonnet. Before removing the fuel filter, what you want to do is come into the engine bay, into the fuse box, and remove the fuel pump fuse. And then remove your petrol cap. What we're doing now is depressurizing the fuel system. With the fuse out and the petrol cap open, we're now going to start the car and drain the system of fuel. That should be enough to reduce all the pressure in the fuel system. The fuel filter is underneath the right hand arch. The best thing to do is to remove a wheel to get access in here. Underneath the rear arch is a plastic cover here. We need to remove this, and the fuel filter is behind this. The top one is a bit hard to get to. You don't really need to undo it. You can just pull the plastic flap out of the way. And behind there is the fuel filter. Make sure you pop a drip tray underneath, ready to catch any fuel. The fuel filter has a line in at the top and a line out at the bottom. That's got two little push connectors that need to be squeezed together and pulled out. But what I'm going to do is use a quick line disconnector. So these slide onto the pipe, and then you can push them away from the fuel filter, and you should be able to pull the pipe off. Then the fuel filter is just held onto the bracket with a 10mm bolt. Then you should be able to pull the bracket apart slightly and pull the filter out. And then pop the new fuel filter in. And then you can do the bracket back up and replace the plastic cover back to where it came from. Then we can replace the fuel pump fuse, put the fuel cap back on and start it back up. It is going to take a little bit. So leave this running for a little bit just so it can build back up the fuel pressure and get any air out of the line. So the fuel filter needs to be changed at least once a year or every 30,000 miles. If you're going on a track day, it's probably a good idea to change it before the track day. A huge thank you to Car Spa, Valet and Vinyl for lending me their bay. If this video did help you in any way, leave it down in the comments below and leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.